Today, we're taking a look at the new Oracle Lighting Hummer EV LED light bar. This light bar has over 22,000 raw lumens and projects light over 1,500 feet. It's bright, it's got a ton of cool features. Let's open the box and check it out. So let's go ahead and get into the individual components included in the box. Right here, we've got our installation instructions, as well as a warranty card and some Oracle decals. We've got our installation hardware, and then we've got our actual brackets. So as you can see here, these are actually CAD design 3D cast brackets. So it isn't like a typical bent metal situation here. This is a much more high-end fit and finish. It actually cradles the light bar when it's mounted on the truck to give you a very secure fitment. The underside, of course, has a nice rubber padding as well as a foam padding to protect the paint when this is installed. The alignment tabs line up with the original alignment tabs, and then the bolt, of course, will go through here and attach it to the truck itself. The brackets are designed to keep the light bar at a low profile position. So this not only decreases wind noise, but allows you to use the factory cab lights without them being obscured by the light bar. All right, so now we have the LED light bar itself. As you can see, this is a giant 252 watt LED light bar. Again, putting out over 22,000 raw lumens. This features both an amber and white LED marker light that are hidden inside the light bar. So if you didn't want to use the amber or LED markers, you could just leave it off altogether. This light bar is specially designed to match the curvature of the front windshield on the Hummer to give it an almost OEM appearance. And then you'll see there's a good bit of cable here on the light bar that will connect to your factory original auxiliary switches. So for the wires, we have a common ground. The white wire is for the white marker lights. The yellow wire is for the amber marker lights. And then the red wire is your positive for the main white lights. And while we're talking about wiring, let's talk about the trigger system. The trigger system is a wireless auxiliary switch system. So even if you have the factory auxiliary switches on your Hummer, which aren't very easy to use, they're not super user-friendly, they're kind of complicated to connect, the trigger system could not be simpler. This is a wireless system. Simply connect the light bar and the different colored LEDs to the trigger system, and you can control everything wirelessly through the switch system on here or through the included app. So it's a great option for your Hummer EV. And then lastly, there is a bit of gasket here that gets installed across the front of the windscreen, and what that does is that provides a little bit of a buffer to create even less wind noise with this light bar design. So if you want to find out more about the Oracle LED light bar for your Hummer EV, be sure to visit www.oraclelights.com or visit an Oracle dealer near you.